Hot plates and griddles are a mainstay in busy kitchens. From catering events and buffets to supplementing a busy lunch hour, these versatile items prove they're indispensable. Imperial's portable hot plates and griddles are manufactured in the USA using durable stainless steel and precision engineering. The professional countertop hot plate is designed for high-volume cooking. It features a full stainless steel exterior, brass control components, cast iron top grates, a fully welded stainless steel crumb tray, and provides 32,000 BTUs per burner. Imperial's gas hot plates feature a stainless steel front, ledge, and sides. The cast iron top grates allow pots to slide from one section to another and feature anti-clogging pilot shields. The cast iron bowl directs heat upwards for better efficiency. Choose from flat or step-up models. Flat models come in 12-inch to 60-inch widths, and the step-up models are available in 12-inch to 48-inch widths. The electric hot plate features 9-inch diameter, 2.6 kilowatt sealed round plate elements with easy-to-clean Teflon surfaces. The sealed elements provide a solid flat surface for faster, even heating, and the solid top makes cleanup easy and prevents spills from entering the unit. They are available in 12-inch to 60-inch widths. Imperial has an amazing selection of griddles, from manually and thermostatically controlled models to snap-action griddles. The professional counter griddle is built for high-volume kitchens. It features aeration baffles between each burner, full stainless steel exterior, 1-inch highly polished griddle plate, extra-large capacity grease can, digital controls, and 30,000 BTUs per burner. The manually controlled griddle features a 30,000 BTU burner every 12 inches. A thick, highly polished steel griddle plate with 24-inch depth for more cooking surface. Also included is a 4-inch wide grease gutter and 1-gallon grease can. The thermostatically controlled griddle features a thermostat that maintains a selected griddle temperature during peak cooking periods. 30,000 BTU burners are placed every 12 inches, and aeration baffles between burners spread heat for more even heating, with a maximum temperature of 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Select from 24-inch to 72-inch wide widths. Snap-action griddle is ideal for high-production kitchens. A snap-action thermostat control and a 24,000 BTU burner is placed every 12 inches, and a heat diffuser plate speeds temperature recovery. The 1-inch thick, highly polished steel griddle plate maintains even temperatures. Select from 24-inch to 72-inch wide widths, all with 24-inch depths for maximum cooking surface. Also included is a 4-inch wide grease gutter and a large capacity grease can. Chrome and grooved griddle tops are also available. Imperial's electric griddle is thermostatically controlled to maintain precise temperatures during busy times. The thick, polished steel griddle plate is heated from the serpentine heating element, maintaining temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. The griddle features a high-quality stainless steel front panel, ledge, side panels, and grease trough. The 24-inch plate depth provides additional cooking surface, and you can select from 24-inch to 72-inch widths. Imperial, where reliability meets performance, and excellence is always on the menu. Visit us at imperialrange.com to learn more.